How to fix Bluetooth device not working on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So the very first solution to this problem is go to the search bar and type in control panel. Once you see the option, just click on the enter button. From this new page, select on network and internet. After this, click on network and sharing center. Once that is done, on the right side of the screen, click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. This will open the settings on your computer. Here you will see two options. The first one is Network Discovery and the second is File and Printer Sharing. Make sure to toggle on both of these options, and this should probably fix the issue. For the next solution, click on the search bar and search for Troubleshooter Settings. Then after, go to Other Troubleshooters and search for Bluetooth Troubleshoot and click on Run. This should also fix any problem that exists on the computer. Moving on to the next solution, open Device Manager. For that, you have to go to the search bar and search for Device Manager from the search section. Once it is open, it might ask for the permission. Make sure to click on Yes and a new interface will open. Hereby, make sure to update two options. The very first is the battery driver and the second one is the Bluetooth driver. Once you have done so, make sure to restart your computer and you're good to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.